Imagine yourself happily married with a young child, when all of a sudden, breast cancer became your death penalty. This story resonates with 2.2 million in year 2020 and will be a story of 3.1 million in year 2040 if nothing changes. Well, you might be wondering why is some breast cancer is so difficult to treat? Well, it's their complexity and the ability for them to hide from the immune responses. Think of the breast cancer cells as an organized group of criminals building a fortified hideout, complete with the stealth security as shown on the right bottom of the slide. This makes them invisible to the police detection. To fight back, our body hire a special detective called dendritic cells, which will go on and search for the evidence in the form of cancer antigens. When found, they will then bring it back to the police academy, the lymph nodes, to train the police force, the T cells. The trained T cells will then be deployed out to hunt down the criminals. But wait, it's not that simple. Here's the catch. The criminal continue to recruit the new members and keep on updating their hideout. So how could we then possibly assist our detective, like probably Sherlock Holmes having his trusty sidekick Dr. Watson? What if we can then send out a drone carrying a specific materials and drop it down into the criminal hideout, forcing them to release specific signals that will make the evidence more visible and accessible? That is exactly what I'm doing in my PhD. In the first parts of my research, I've demonstrated the ability of the standard cancer therapy and then the newly developed therapy called Agenets to force the cancer cells to release a specific signals called DAMP. The signals enhances the efficacy of dendritic cells to find and present the cancer antigen to T cells and increase their migration to the cancer environment to kill them. Now, I'm validating these effects in the mice with the breast cancer, and later we developed a drone in the form of nanoparticles to carry and deliver this therapy precisely into the cancer cells. Combining this with other therapy not only will eliminate the cancer's ability to hide, but also improve dendritic cells' efficacy and deploy more trained T cells to work. Hopefully, we can then not only increase the patient's survival, but also store some memory to help against future recurrence. This isn't just a story about resilience, but offers hope so that we can once again enjoy our time with our loved one. Thank you.